We had to put out.
I'd be upset.
No, but mom and dad, we put out.
Yeah.
We thought you guys were.
Yeah. But see, now, Dad, here's my second problem. People like you and Mom. How do I, as a coach, beg you to let your daughter play basketball for the team? Please.
Give him one calendar.
I really could.
Pepper.
Who took the cookie from the cookie jar?
We're gonna start donating. So this way you got some leverage.
Yeah, thank you. I need it. I need all of it.
Yeah.
Who took the cookie from the cookie
Jar.
jar?
How many things you got?
Right now, I have at least 20, 21.
Alright, so there's 20 pounds in the case.
Oh, okay.
So you got 21 pounds.
Nice.
Pepper.
Yeah, right now we're just practicing. But summer season starts July 1st. That's when I get all the middle schoolers in.
Talk to him before he goes to Chicago.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Da. I gotta go. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar?
Do you like spaghetti? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like yogurt? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like spaghetti yogurt? No, I don't.
Yucky, yeah.
Do you like cookies?
Cookie.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I
Do
do.
Do you like cookie?
salad?
Cookie?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like cookie salad? No, I don't. Yucky.
Yucky. Yucky.
Do you like tomatoes?